Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word lets you attempt to recover unsaved document files. If you want to see if Word has automatically saved a copy of an unsaved document on which you were working, click the File tab within the ribbon, and then click the Open command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the area to the right of the command panel, select the Recent command. Then look at the bottom of the pane that appears to the right. You should see a button far at the bottom of the Recent section. Click this Recover Unsaved Documents button to launch an open dialog box that displays any copies of unsaved documents that Word has recovered. Note that it may be helpful to sort the files shown by the Date Modified column in order to display the listing of recoverable files by date, as the file names will not be of very much use in determining their content. You can then choose the copy that you wish to recover from the list, and then click the Open button within the Open dialog box to reopen the recovered copy. If you successfully retrieve the contents of the file, you should then save the file that you recovered.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.